SIM provisioning is the process of activating your SIM card, whether physical or eSIM, on T-Mobile's network. This activation enables you to make calls, use data, and send texts on T-Mobile's network. Errors occur when this activation process fails, preventing your phone from connecting to the network. While T-Mobile has significantly reduced these issues, they can still happen, especially during peak usage times or in areas with weak signal strength. This video will guide you through troubleshooting and resolving these SIM provisioning errors. Several factors can lead to SIM provisioning errors. These include network congestion, especially during events that cause a surge in network traffic, incorrect SIM card installation for physical SIMs, outdated device firmware or carrier settings, and glitches in T-Mobile's backend systems. Identifying the potential cause is the first step towards finding a solution. Error codes like SIM not recognized, error 101, or provisioning timeout, error 55, can provide clues. The first and often most effective solution is to restart your device. This can resolve temporary software glitches that interfere with the provisioning process. After restarting, check for carrier settings updates. On most phones, this can be done in the Settings menu under About Phone or Software Update. Installing these updates ensures your phone is compatible with T-Mobile's latest network configurations. T-Mobile's official app provides powerful self-service tools to help resolve SIM provisioning errors. As your first point of contact, the app offers features tailored to your device and account for quick fixes. For manual SIM provisioning, open the T-Mobile app and go to your account settings. The app guides you through selecting SIM management options to manually activate your device on the network. For eSIM users, the app simplifies activation by allowing you to scan a QR code provided by T-Mobile. This downloads the eSIM profile and activates services automatically, making setup seamless. Beyond provisioning, the app offers guided troubleshooting tailored to your specific device and account. It can check for software updates, adjust network settings, and provide targeted fixes for provisioning issues. If basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve your SIM provisioning error, consider a SIM swap as an effective solution. This involves replacing your current SIM card with a new one to eliminate persistent issues. For physical SIM cards, start by contacting T-Mobile customer support to request a SIM swap. You'll typically receive the new SIM card by mail at no cost. Once you have it, simply replace your current SIM card with the new one. For eSIM users, the process is digital and streamlined. First, deactivate your old eSIM profile. Then activate a new eSIM directly through the T-Mobile app or website. This automated process ensures a fresh connection without physical hardware. Both processes are completely free and designed to be user-friendly. The SIM swap provides a clean slate for your device to connect properly to T-Mobile's network. In some cases, you may need to manually configure the access point name or APN settings on your device. APN settings tell your phone exactly how to connect to T-Mobile's data network for internet access. To configure APN, first go to your device's Settings menu. On Android, navigate to Settings, then Mobile Data or Network, and select Access Point Names. On iPhone, go to Settings, Cellular, and then Cellular Data Options. Next, add a new APN entry using the correct T-Mobile settings. You can find these on T-Mobile's website under Support or contact customer support for assistance. Enter the details like APN name, username, and password. Finally, save the new APN settings and restart your device to apply the changes. This should resolve data connection issues related to provisioning. As a last resort for persistent provisioning errors, consider performing a factory reset of your phone. This clears all data and settings, resolving underlying software conflicts that may be blocking SIM activation. Before resetting, back up your important data to avoid losing photos, contacts, or apps. Use cloud storage or transfer to a computer. On iPhone, go to Settings, General, then Transfer or Reset Phone and select Erase All Content and Settings. On Android, go to Settings, System, Reset Options, and choose Factory Data Reset. Confirm the reset and wait for the process to complete, which may take several minutes. Your device will restart as new, allowing you to set up SIM provisioning from scratch. If you've exhausted all the troubleshooting steps and your SIM is still not provisioning, it's time to contact T-Mobile customer support. They have access to advanced diagnostic tools and can escalate your issue to a network technician if necessary. Be prepared to provide your account information, device details, IMEI number, and any error codes you've encountered. T-Mobile continues to innovate SIM provisioning with cutting-edge technologies. AI-powered systems now predict and prevent errors in real time, reducing failure rates to under 1%. Machine learning analyzes patterns to preempt issues like network congestion or firmware conflicts, enabling automated fixes that resolve most problems without user intervention. eSIM technology is rapidly gaining traction, now accounting for over 70% of new activations. This digital approach eliminates physical SIM cards, allowing users to activate service instantly through apps or QR codes. T-Mobile's cloud-based eSIM management supports flexible switching between carriers, making provisioning faster and more convenient for modern devices. Looking ahead, blockchain-secured SIMs promise enhanced security. This technology uses decentralized ledgers to prevent unauthorized access and fraud, creating tamper-proof provisioning processes. Combined with AI and eSIM advancements, these innovations aim to achieve near-error-free activations, supporting future 6G networks and global roaming. These advancements work together to minimize provisioning errors and deliver a seamless mobile experience, with industry projections showing 95% error-free rates by 2030 through quantum computing and predictive analytics.